Hey everyone, it's Allison Sullivan with Stampin' Up. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada. And this video is to share how to add your selections to your starter kit. So let me share my screen and then we can play with how to add our products. So when you have completed your information add-on, so your name, your address, and all that kind of information, you're going to be taken to a screen to start selecting products for your starter kit. This is the fun part. Now, everything, you can scroll down and everything is kind of listed here. So maybe it's something that you can find by scrolling. I find that a little bit complicated. So you can, let's see here, but I will add this because this is cool. You can add the brand new Eden's Garden collection. I think we should add that. So when you click on a product, you will be asked, do you want to add this to your starter kit? And you can see here that you have $165 to spend. So let's add that to our starter kit and look what happens. Now we're down to $52.50. Okay, so that's just does a running total of what we've got. Okay, so we can now view how much we've got in our kit. Here's what we've got. Yep, we love that. So now I'm just going to click previous and it's going to come back to all the products. Now you can also sort by colors. Okay, you can sort by, so I've clicked basics. So it's going to sort of give me some of the stuff that's available in the basic kit here. Okay. So if I unclick that, it's going to take me back to all the products again. Now I can also sort by English and French, the type of stamps, the stamp set type, and here I can do occasions, which is kind of fun. Maybe I want some birthday sayings. So let's have a look there. And now we've got a bunch of stamps that come up with that have birthday images. And I really like this one. So I'm going to choose the artistically inked and I'm going to add that to my starter kit. And now you can see I'm down to $19.50. Okay. So you just keep going until you have fulfilled the $165. You can't go over, but you can get as close as you possibly can. So maybe now I'm down to $19.50. So maybe I should start looking at things that are between $10 and $20 here. So you can see here, I don't have enough to get the extra pack of designer series paper because I only have $19.50 left. But let's see here. I guess it was up to 25. Let's see. I'm a kind of a person who likes to get close to my amount that I'm entitled to. Okay. So I think what I'm going to do is choose this embossing folder. Looks really nice. So now I'm going to grab that and I'm going to go back. And I don't think it grabbed it. So I'm just going to, because I don't think I clicked add to starter kit. So let's add that. And actually I'm going to add another one. Okay. I'm just going to add another one. And now I should be pretty close. I've got 50 cents. So it's not going to allow me to add anything else. We don't sell anything for 50 cents. Okay. So here's my starter kit value, 165. Here's how much I've selected and here's what I have remaining. But I'm only going to pay $100, which is so cool. Okay. Now, if you get to this stage and you think, oh gosh, I didn't want 2 of these gems, that's okay. You can just adjust it up and down. So you see, and now I've got $10 left. So you can just play with that. Or you can completely remove it by Xing it out here. And once you get to this stage, then you're going to click next. And now it's going to make sure that you see my name up here, Demonstrator Team Leader. Okay. This is your personal information. Ignore that it's Nancy Drew. You've read all that and you're going to enter your credit card and submit it. Okay. And you can, isn't this awesome? Free shipping. So you will not pay shipping on this item. And depending where you live in Canada, you may or may not pay tax. Many provinces don't require a tax on a starter kit. All right. So I hope that that helps you sort of navigate how to get through all of this. But if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask me. Okay, you can just email me at stampwithallison@gmail.com. And thank you so much for your time today, and happy stamping.